Hi everyone, this is my hypokalemia case study. This is a scenario that I've encountered several times working in the ICU. A 62-year-old female was admitted to the ICU 5 days ago with septic shock secondary to pneumonia. Over the course of her treatment, she required paralytics for ventilator compliance and subsequently developed an ileus. A nasogastric tube was inserted and has been put to continuous low wall suction. Her gastric output over the last 8 hours is almost 2.5 liters. Routine blood work shows a serum potassium level of 2.9 milliequivalents per liter. EKG imaging shows mild T-wave flattening compared to her baseline. There are no other presenting signs or symptoms as her potassium level is above 2.5 milliequivalents per liter. She was subsequently diagnosed with hypokalemia from excessive GI fluid loss. Due to her ileus and strict MPO status, the team decides to replete her potassium intravenously in the form of potassium chloride. She received a total of 60 MEQ over the course of 3 hours, and her repeat potassium level was 3.6 milliequivalents per liter. In anticipation of further fluid loss, the team orders an additional 20 milliequivalents of KCl with a plan to repeat a serum potassium level every 4 hours to closely monitor.